Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. In today's video, we are going to look how we can map record producer to the incident table. How we can map the incident record producer variables to the incident table. In our previous video, we have already created one record producer, that is flight booking request, and today we are going to map the variables of the record producer with the incident. After submit the record producer, we have already seen the incident is created successfully, but in the requested for the when we just open the incident, so the requested for is not yet mapped with the incident. So to map it, what we can do is first I will show you what's the issue we are facing. Service catalog. We'll go to the service catalog and into the catalogs, and in the flight booking request we have a chooser Abraham Lincoln and the department IT department, and we just click on submit. When we click on submit, so you can see the incident is created 10037 incident is created, but the caller, so we have a chooser field flight booking requested for in the record producer, but due to non-mapping for the with the incident table, the caller is that Abraham Lincoln is not automatically come into this caller field, and the department also not coming. Record producers, and into the record producer will choose a flight which we have created today. Run. It's a flight booking request record producer. So to map the variables with the incident, we will click on the variables and tick the checkbox map to field and choose which incident field to map. Like so, we'll just click on the flight booking for, we'll click on it and tick the checkbox map field and which field to map it for. Yeah, as you can see, when I click on map field, when I click on map field, then field comes. So I choose color field and click on update. Right. And for the next, I'll also create one new field and map it with order is 300 and we'll map it to short description. Yeah, short description. Single line text only, and okay, question will be short description. Okay. Here also I will copy and paste the question as a short description and click on submit. And then I will click on update. I will go under I will choose in the menu bar service catalog and I choose catalogs, service catalog. Can we help you? You can also put this record producer in another catalog into another category. Not this short description. This is active and we make it as mandatory also. Update. Now as you can see, the three variables are there. Then we will go to service catalog. Service catalog. I think we will. When I click on submit, so now as you can see, the flight booking is requested for Adela. The short description is flight book for England. UK, and I'll click on submit. So as you can see, the number is this incident number, and the caller is all automatically mapped by Adela, and the short description is flight book for England, UK. So in this way, you can map a record producer field to the incident view. I hope you understood it. Like it and subscribe my channel, and we will meet again in our next video. Till then, bye bye.